Hey everyone, it's Angela and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd just show you guys how I get my signature fro. This is just me taking my hair down. I did a bantu knot the previous night, and for products I use coconut oil, and my hair was damp, so I guess coconut oil and water. But yeah, if you want me to do a more in detail of how I actually did the bantu knots, then I can do that for you guys, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. But if you do need that, then I can do it. Also, if you're curious, I do have type 4 hair. My hair is 4C, so that should give you an indication of what your hair would kind of look like. When doing the bantu knots, I think my biggest tip for you guys would be detangle before. That will give you the most definition. And like I said, I wanted this to be as real as it could be, and I usually don't have time to go through the whole detangling process the night before if I'm doing something early in the morning, so I didn't really detangle necessarily. Another thing that you should probably remember while doing this is when you're taking down the actual knots, you want to try your best to separate your hair where it naturally will part. So you don't want to force it because that will create frizz, and for me particularly, I don't really mind frizz that much. But I didn't have a mirror, so I couldn't really tell where I was separating, but I tried my best to kind of find where it naturally would part, so I could pull it apart that way, and that would also help you with definition. Okay guys, this is where all the magic happens. So after I take down my knots, I usually like to go in with a blow dryer to dry out any part of my hair that's still damp from the previous night, and also stretch out my hair to add some more volume and length to it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just figuring out how I want to part my hair and just stretching it out a bit. Now this is literally my favorite part. I'm going in with this afro pig. My dad got me this for Christmas because I always steal his. So I'm just picking out my roots to add a lot more volume and just blend everything together, because you can tell there's some gaps. So I'm just blending everything and picking at it, and girl, let me tell you, it all comes together like whoa. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you want to see from me next. Bye guys!